Oi, where you going, fella? That's not the way to the pan, is it? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel with TOON and LEIGH in Thailand, and today we've got something quite exciting in my book. Feast your peepers upon that beautiful piece of construction. Now I can't take the credit for this masterpiece. As you all know, I nearly got killed by a scorpion, so I've been off my feet for a few days. Our main man and TOON have created this wondrous building, so no blame or compliments go towards me, guys. It's obviously not finished. I want to do some bamboo work, sort of like some handrails and bits and bobs. So there's the box of gizmos in there. If I'm honest, it doesn't look quite straight, probably because it's not. And you got your inverter, converter, transferer in there, and it's all ready to rock and roll. Just need to plug it in. So as well as doing my handrails, we'll be hooking up to the batteries and hooking up to the solar panels up there. Someone did ask about how we're going to secure the batteries once everything's in place. That's screwed from inside onto the wood. It's a little locking cabinet, but so that's pretty all right. The batteries will just be on show, so there's some probably there if we can fit them on there. But you can see we're well within TOON's catapult range of the house, and the dogs sleep on the back and the front, so not a problem there. The farm's never left empty at all now. There's too much going on here to leave anything out. So yeah, it should be all good. All right, I'll take some more in a day or two.